Graham, are you going to do some colouring too? Where's your page? Where's your page? Are you going to do some? Are you doing your numbers? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's Graham's crayon. He's colouring in red. Malachi has the blue crayon. Boys, do you love your new table? That's your new chair. Good boy, Graham. And where's the table, Graham? Where's the table? Is this the table? Who's on the table?
Yeah.
Thomas. Who found the table? Did Graham's mommy find the table? She did. She did.
Yeah.
Whoa, oh, don't fall.
Yeah.
Yeah. What were you learning today?
Yeah.
Graham, what were you learning? Were you learning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?